In this video, we're going up a parkade, and we should be thinking about, as we're coming up this ramp here, who needs to yield to who. And there are clues there if you're paying attention. So every time you're, by the way, coming up to go one level up, you should signal indicating your intention. So we're coming in here, and we can see right away here that there's a yield sign for the upper level, and there would be a yield sign for us if we're going to go to the lower level. And so in this case, we've got the right of way versus the person that's coming down from this ramp. And if you think of it, it logically makes sense, because as they're coming down, they probably have a better line of sight as to us coming up this ramp here. They've got a better vantage point. However, be on the lookout for people that do not yield. It's very common for drivers not to yield at their yield sign, unfortunately. So don't just assume, well, I've got the right of way here, so I'll just quickly go up the ramp. No, check to see if this guy coming down the ramp is actually yielding to you or not. Don't just assume the best. Trust but verify is the slogan we use often in our driving lessons. So we're on the lookout. We give other drivers the benefit of the doubt, but we are ready to react if we need to. So your job is to make sure that you don't let a collision happen, regardless of whether you've got the right of way or not. So if you read the Motor Vehicle Act, that's usually the way it's worded. It's saying, in this scenario, yes, you've got the right of way. However, if something else is happening, then you need to make sure you don't let the vehicles touch each other, or don't let the accident happen. And so that's the mentality you should have as a driver. Is not about whether you've got the right of way so you can just go. You have the right of way. We take it when it's given to us, but we're on the lookout for people that are not paying attention.